This course is going to cover front-end web development, so also known as client-side development. We're going to be producing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for websites and web applications. I've just got open the wiki definition of front-end web development, and it's also got some definitions here for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you want to read up more about it, we're going to include the link as well as some of these details in the upcoming PDF. So HTML is short for Hypertext Markup Language, and this is the basic backbone language of the web. So if you even go to Wikipedia here, you can see that their source, so they've got their HTML here, they've got all more HTML down here, they've got links to their CSS, they've also got a few other links out here to some PHP. And then up here they've got script, so they've got some JavaScript here. So these three are going to be what you're able to see. So that's CSS, HTML, and JavaScript. And every single web page that you look at is going to be comprised of at least HTML, usually CSS, and JavaScript as well. And if you ever want to see the source code of any website, you can go to any website, you can right click and you can do view page source or Control U on a Windows machine, and you can see all of the source code of any web page. So even for the web page that we were currently working on in the previous lesson, open it up and you can see all of the HTML code there, link out to the CSS, and we can see the CSS as well. And if it had JavaScript, we could link out and we could see the JavaScript file as well. So what happens is that the browser takes this code, it reads through it from top to bottom and renders out the code as indicated within the web page. It's also encouraged as you work through this course, feel free to ask questions, to message me anytime. I'm also planning on constantly updating content within this course as new content becomes available. So this course will be growing and expanding as new content becomes available.